So, good day, everyone. Today, we are excited to present the system we have developed. In this presentation, we will walk you through the features, functionalities, and the overall architecture of our system. We'll also demonstrate how it solves the specific problems and delivers measurable value to its users. Now, let's dive into the details and explore how the system can make a meaningful impact. So before diving into the homepage, let me give you a brief overview of its purpose. So the homepage serves as the main entry point of our system, which is designed to provide the user with a welcoming and intuitive interface. So it's going to highlight key features, provide easy navigation, and ensure that users can quickly access the tools or information they need. So let's explore its layout and functionality in more detail. Now we have here the About Us button. So the About Us button is a key feature in the homepage that directs users to a dedicated section or page providing a detailed information about the resort, which is HJ Paradise Resort. So we have also here the Contact Us button. So this button is a key feature in the homepage that directs users. They allows user to easily access the details they need to get in touch with us. So when click, it redirects users to a dedicated page or section displaying essential contact details such as a office locations, phone number, and social media links. You have also here the login button. It is a essential feature that provides users with secure access to their accounts. So when click, it redirects users to the login page where they can enter their credentials such as a username or email and password to access personalized features and services. So if you don't have an account, you can simply click register so that you can create an account and then indicate your name, email, password, and then confirm password, then register. But if you have already an account, you can simply log in, click login. So once the user enters their information and submits the form, the system validates the details to ensure secure access. If the credentials are correct, the user is granted access to their personalized dashboard or account, providing them with the features and services tailored to their needs. So the admin dashboard will be discussed by Mr. Salif Pakulano.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will explain the features available for users in our HG Paradise room reservation system. The design is to make a booking and managing reservations simple and convenient for guests. The first one is room and reservation features. Users can browse through the available rooms and make reservation directly in the system. They can view detailed information about the rooms, including the descriptions, photos, and pricing, to help them choose the best option for, for their stay. And now, Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the room and reservation features.
I will be demonstrating the key features of our system, the HG Paradise Room Reservation System. First, let me explain the two types of accounts in our system, users, then an admin. For this demonstration, I will focus on the user's features, especially the rooms and reservation. When a user accesses the room section, they will see a list of rooms available from room 1, room 2 to room 8, along with each room price 800 and a brief description good for 1 to 2 person. Now let's click on room 1. As you can see, a reservation form pops up already specific to room 1. The reservation form is a user friendly. The name and email fields are automatically filled with the user's detail. For example, let's make a reservation for Miss Jen. I will select the dates January 1 to January 2. Immediately, the system calculates the total amount due, which is 800 pesos. Now, let's try a different range of date January 1 to January 3. Notice how the system automatically adjusts the total based on number of days. For 2 days, the total is 16. After selecting the desired date, the user can proceed the payment via GCash QR. Miss Jen will simply scan the QR code and complete the payment. Once done, she needs to upload a screenshot of her payments received as proof for the admin. Now, let's try submitting the form. As you can see, the system successfully processed the booking and generate a receipt for Miss Jen. The receipt can be downloaded as a PDF. Providing her assurance of her booking, she can either screenshot or print the receipt for her record. Now, let's check the calendar to see if the date from January 1 to January 3 are still available. As you can see, the system marks date as unavailable, indicating that the reservation has been successfully made and cannot be booked again. And that's it for the reservation process. Let's go back to the dashboard, please.
Second is messaging features. Our system also includes a messaging features where users can send inquiries or requests to the resort admin. This ensure quick and direct communication for questions and about their booking or special arrangement. And again, Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the messaging features.
Next, let's move on to another feature in the user dashboard, the message feature. When the user clicks on the message options, it opens an interface where the user can send message directly to the admin. So these features allow users to communicate their concern, feedback, or request for assistance. For example, let's say Miss Jen want to report that her room is dirty and she needs cleaning. For example, she can simply type her message such as, "My room is dirty, please clean it." After composing the message, she clicks the send button. Once sent, the message will go directly to admin dashboard under this message feature, which I will demonstrate later on. The purpose of this feature is to ensure smooth communication between the user and the admin, whether it's for providing feedback or requesting assistance. It enhances the user experience by making it easy to address concern in a real time. So that's how message feature works for user. Let's move on to the next part of the system.
Reservation status features. Lastly, users can check the status of their reservation. They can say whether booking is confirmed, pending, or on hold, giving them real-time updates for their transactions. And now Mr. Cabonegro will demonstrate the reservation status features.
Now, let's move on the next feature of the user dashboard, which is status feature. Let's click it, and this feature allows us users to view the details of their reservations, including the current status of their booking. The status can be one of the following: pending, on hold, confirm, and confirmed. Whenever a user submits a reservation form through the rooms and reservation feature, the details of that bookings are automatically displayed here in the status section. For example, earlier Miss Jen booked January 1 to January 3. As you can see, the details of your reservation have been updated and are now visible here, including the current status of your booking. This feature is essential for keeping users informed about their reservation progress, providing transparency and convenience. This feature is essential for keeping users informed about their reservation progress and providing reservation conference. And that's all. Let's go back the dashboard.
And now Mr. Botanas will discuss the admin dashboard.
S- So, good day everyone. I will now discuss the feature available for admin in our SG Paradise reservation system. And the admin dashboard is designed to streamline management tasks and provide essential tools for overseeing operation. So, as you can see, we have three features. So, first, we go to booking list feature. So, this features allows admin to track guest booking, check room reservation, I check room assignment, and monitor reservation details in one centralized location. And now Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the booking list.
Now let's move on to the admin dashboard, where the first featured option is a booking list. In this section, the admin can view all the bookings and reservations made by all users. It's comprehensive list of all active reservation in the system. One key feature here is that the admin has the ability to change the reservation status of any users. When a user first make a reservation, the system automatically sets the status to pending. The admin can review the reservation details and update the status. For example, let's look at Miss Jen's reservation for January 1 to January 3. The status is still pending. Once the admin verify that Miss Jen's payment screenshot is accurate and the payment is correct, the admin can change the status to confirm. If the payment is insufficient or there are balance remaining, the admin will change the status to on hold. In that case, the admin can also send a message to the user informing them of the payment discrepancy and requesting the remaining balance to complete the reservation. Let's now demonstrate Miss Jean's booking. So I'll go ahead and confirm her reservation for room 1, January 1 to January 3. Now let's go back to Miss Jen's account. So as you can see, the status of her reservation has changed to confirm, reflecting the update made by the admin. So that's the purpose of the booking list. It allows the admin to manage all the bookings, update their status, and view all reservation in the system. Let's go back to the dashboard, please.
So, and now let's go to the second feature, the booking report. And this is the booking report. In this report, help administrator analyze trend, assess occupancy rates, and generate data for decision making or performance review. And now Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the booking report.
Next, let's look at the booking report features, which allows the admin to generate a detailed report based on a various criteria. The booking report provides several options to filter the data, such as by year, by month, by day, rooms, and booking status. Now, let's start by generating a report by year. For example, I will generate a report for 2024. When I click Generate Report, the system will display all reservation made in the year 2024. Now, if I change the year 2025 and I click the Generate Report, the system will show all reservation made in 2025. Now, let's try generating a report by room. For instance, if I select room 1, the system will show a list of all users who have reserved room 1. The same applies to to any room. You can generate report for any room of the listed in the system. The next option is to generate a report by booking status. If I chose pending, the system will show all reservations that are still pending. Similarly, I can generate a report for confirm or on hold. If you like to print a specific report, for example, confirm booking report by room, so room confirm only. Simply clicks the print button. The system will generate a printable version of the report if selected, showing all relevant details. So that concludes the demonstration of the booking report feature, which help the admin manage and track reservation based on various filters. So this make it easy to view booking trends and statuses for better system management. Now let's go back to the dashboard, please.
And lastly, inquiries and message feature. So let's go to inquiries and message feature. And this is the inquiries or message feature. And this allows admin to view and respond to messages or question from user. It ensures timely communication and help address guest concern or request activity. And again, Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the inquiries or message.
Next, let's move on to the inquiries message feature in the admin dashboard. In this session, the admin can view all messages sent by users. This feature ensures smooth communication between the admin and the user. As I said earlier, for example, let's look at Miss Jen message earlier. She mentioned that her rooms needed cleaning. Now we can respond to her message directly to the admin dashboard. So let's type a reply. Okay, ma'am, please wait. Once the message is ready, the admin simply clicks the send button. This will send the reply directly to Miss Jen through the message feature on her user dashboard. Now let's open Miss Jen account and check her message feature. As you can see, she received the reply from the admin. This ensures that the user are always updated and informed about the status of their request in real time. So that's how the inquiry message features in the admin dashboard works. It allows the admin to quickly respond to user message, ensuring a smooth communication process within the system. So that concludes the demonstration of the HG Paradise room reservation system.
So, in conclusion, we hope this presentation has helped you understand the system we created, its features, how it works, and how it can help users. So, our goal is to build a system that is simple to use and solves important problems effectively. So, we are proud of what we have accomplished and believe this system can make a difference. We're open to your feedback and questions to help us make it even better. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to what this system can achieve.